Toyota Fortuner is a big-size SUV with an elegant and modern appearance. The Fortuner looks like a Hilux, and it's its predecessor. Other than that, it tends to look like the 4Runner, only it's larger and has a few differences. The Fortuner is also quite popular in some countries. It may even be considered a high-end car for several reasons. The Fortuner looks masculine with an elegant design, and it looks like a luxury car. If you look closely, you will see many similarities with the Hilux, only the Fortuner doesn't have an open cargo. In addition, the front of the Fortuner looks very attractive, and that becomes the main center of the car's luxurious appearance. Rumor has it that the Toyota Fortuner will come with an electric model. It seems like the Fortuner won't be priced high enough and is somewhere around the middle class. For this reason, we speculate that the Toyota Fortuner 2024 will be priced in the $39,000 to $50,000 range. However, it could be lower or higher than that. As for the release date, expect the 2024 Fortuner to be released in the first quarter or second quarter of 2024.